Do you always think in Bangla first, then translate into English? That's why your speaking becomes slow and sometimes wrong. So don't worry, in this video, I will try to show you how to overcome that habit and start thinking directly in English. So, hello, my future fluent speaker. How are you all? I hope that you all are on top of the world. Today, I am also on cloud nine. This is Sonu speaking. Before you, as you know that I am a public speaker as well as English content creator. So, my duty is to practice my spoken English in public place. As a result, I can speak English fluently, confidently, or eloquently. So today I have a very important topic that is how to think in English directly. Yes. So are you ready? Well, so let's jump right in. As you know that many people make on big mistake when they speak English. They think in their mother tongue. They think in first of all their own languages. Then they translate into English. That's why they speak slowly. That's why they can't speak properly. That is the problem. Don't translate your mother tongue to English. That is a wrong process, I mean, they translate from Bengali to English, or Hindi to English, or Marathi to English, Tamil to English, Malayalam to English. I mean, they are trying to translate from their language to English. That is the really wrong process. So how you overcome that habit and start thinking directly in English? Let me elaborate on each and everything in detail, then you can understand clearly. All so I mean, you have to use everyday simple or short sentences. You can say how. Okay, no problem. You may think right now, I'm very happy. I'm very happy. You have to change it into negative as well. I mean, you can say right now, hey Sonu, I'm very happy, but you have to convert it into negative as well. I'm not very happy. You can say right now, I'm really so tired, I'm exhausted, and you have to change it into negative as well. I'm not very happy, I'm not tired, and you have to convert it into negative as well. I mean interrogative as well. I mean, am I very happy? আমি কি খুব খুশি? Like that you have to make a sentence every single day. And then on the other side you can say you should talk about your daily action. How? Like that you are thinking, I am thirsty. I mean, you are really thirsty, so you need to drink water. So how can you say in English that time? You have to think right now, I am thirsty, so I need to drink water, Bisleri, I mean pure water. So when you drink water, you have to say right now, I'm drinking water. You have to think this way. When you think this way, your brain speaks faster. Your brain will stop translating. Your brain will start thinking directly in English naturally. That is the real process to learn English easily. And then you have to do one more thing. What? You must learn every day, I mean, phrases, not any single words. I mean, single words mean, if I say right now, I mean hungry. Okay, I mean, if I say hungry, 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 so you can't understand properly. But if I say I'm really hungry, that means I have to eat something. I need to eat something. That's why I mean I'm hungry. So you can understand it easily. But if I say right now I'm famished, starving, so we can't understand your feelings. But if I say I'm famished, I'm starving, something to eat right now, so please give me something to eat right now. I'm really hungry. I can't wait for it. So you have to practice this way. When you practice this way, your brain speaks faster. That is the process. And think in English. How how can you think in English right now? You have to think right now. I mean, see what's around you like that. um okay, these are children. Okay, I mean, these are children. Some children, some of them, they are playing cricket, at the same time they are running as well. At the same time, you can say here, they are running, they are talking to each other. I mean, they are having great time with them. That is the process. I mean, think in English. Don't translate from your language to English. That is the wrong process. And when you think like that, your speaking becomes slow and sometimes wrong as well. So you have to think in English 24 hours. That is the process to learn English. So right now, you're challenged to make 5 sentences. I mean, simple and short sentences without translating. You have to make 5 sentences and write them in the comment box. That is the process. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and drop your comments, as well as follow me on Facebook. Your support mean everything. That's all about today's video. Thanks for listening firstly, and don't give up yourself. Keep improving your pronunciation and keep learning something better for your future life. Thank you so much and have a great day.